Welcome to the Math Magician channel. In this video, you will learn about fractions from unit number 7 that came from SRN, Rising Star Mathematics of Grade 5. So, we are solving question number 3 here. We have already solved question number 2 and question number 1 in our previous videos. So, what we are solving now? We are on the unit number 7a and we are solving question number 3 and we are following page 81. So let's take a start. Yes, this is your question 3. What they are demanding from you? Calculate which thing the equivalent fractions for each pair. They are giving you some pairs. Look at this is C part, this is A, this is B. They are giving you some paired work. And what you have to do? Let's read out the question. Calculate the equivalent fraction for each pair. After calculation, then write this or this. Which one is the greater one? Which one is the smaller one? To compare the fractions. So we have to do two tasks. First step, you have to solve it. And after that, once you have solved these, you have to do the comparison between them. So let's take a start. Yes, so they are giving you 2 upon 3. And on the other side, they are giving to you 3 upon 5. And you are doing and you are making the equivalent fractions. So which number I have to take it out here? You have to select some numbers. How many blanks they are given to you? Yes, a number of blanks. But how smartly you have to fill out these. Select that number that gives you the denominator same. Step number 1. Select or choose such type of a number that will gives you the denominator same. Okay, so which one will be here? This is 3, this is 5. If I am multiplying this number by 5, what comes here? 15. And if I am multiplying this 5 from 3, what comes? Which number I am choosing here? 3. What comes? 15. Yahoo! I am able to make the denominator same, both having the same number in the denominator. And what the strategy I am applying here? I am changing the number 3 multiplied by 5. Look at here. While 5 multiplied by 3 opposite to it, and definitely we are getting the same number. Okay, step number 2. Look at over here. The rule of the fraction, when you are doing in the denominator, you have to apply the same in the numerator. So if I am writing here 3, definitely I have to show there 3. This always be the step number 2. Now the last step is step number 3. When 2 multiplied by 5, what it gives you? 10. When 3 multiplied by 3, it gives you 9. So what number comes? 10 upon 15, 9 upon 15. 2 upon 3 becomes 10 upon 15, while 3 upon 5 becomes 9 upon 15. So both the denominators same and we can do the compare easily. So 10 is greater or the 9 number is greater? Yes, 10 is greater. Good job. So can I circle this number? This is greater? No way. They are not asking about the circle. They are giving you the command. You have to select these kind of the symbols. Which one is the greater one? This one is the greater one. It shifts here. Why? Because crocodile, this is the crocodile mouth. It wants to eat more. It's too hungry. So which one is greater? 2 upon 3. It moves towards 2 upon 3. And if 3 upon 5 will be greater, let's suppose, so it will move there. But they are not giving to us. Which one is the greater? So crocodile mouth always moves towards the greater fractions or the greater number. That's why it's called the greater or the greater symbol. Greatest one. Okay, so part A has been solved for you. And you know the one important thing? When I am solving why this is called equivalent fractions, the very important talk. Yes, don't go anywhere, just listen. When I'm reducing it, you know what comes again? 10 twos, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. When I'm solving it, 9 and 15 both comes in 3 table. It reduced in 3 upon 5. Look at over here. I'm getting this again. I'm getting this again. It means, what does this means for this? Yes, that's why they are giving you the word equivalent fractions. And once we are getting it by making the denominator same, you know the rules of the equivalent fractions. We have to select the such kind of numbers. If I am writing here, just like I have done this example, I'm writing here 5. Definitely I have to multiply it with the 5 because we are working for the equivalent fractions. What are the rules for this? We have to use the same number for the multiplication. Then we are able to make the dam. Yes. So move on the next example. A part has been done for you. Can I move on the C? Yes. So what is given in C part? 5 upon 8, okay, is on the left hand side, while 2 upon 3 is on the right hand side. Yes, so we have to solve it first by making the denominator same. Step number 1. Can I shift these numbers? It's very simple for me. 8 multiplied by 3. Can I write it here? While this 3, can I multiply it by 8? A very simple step. So when 8 is multiplying by 3, it gives you 24. When this 3 multiply by 8, it gives you 24. Yahoo! Step number 1 has done. Move on, step number 2. What is step 2? When this 3 is here, the rule for the fraction, applying the same in the numerator as well. What is here? Multiplying by 8, you have to apply here. The same thing you have to apply. Actually, they are giving in the box, otherwise, you can show it here. Multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3 on both sides. Multiply by 8, multiply by 8 on both sides. Yes, so when I am multiplying by these numbers, what comes? 5 threes are 15, 8 twos are 16. Okay, step number 3 has been done. Okay, so you have two fractions, 15 upon 24, 16 upon 24. 5 upon 8 becomes 15 upon 24, while 2 upon 3 becomes 16 upon 24. Which one is the greatest? Yes, 16 upon 24. That's great. So it means crocodile mouth moves towards, yes, towards the right hand side. It wants to eat more and more. It's too hungry. So it's always shift towards the larger fraction, the largest one. Okay. So can I move on the B and the D part? Yes. The very simple trick, step number one, make the denominator same. Okay, I can shift this number or otherwise I can use any other number also. It's not necessary. I'm just taking this 6 over here, this 4 over here. I'm changing the number. I'm using this, I'm using this. It's not necessary always. I can use any number, but remember that the denominator is same. Okay, so I am applying here by 6 and I am applying here 4. 4 multiplied by 6, it gives you, yes, 24. While this 4 6 by 4, it gives you again 24. Yes, step number 1 has been done, making the denominator same. Step 2, if you are doing here by multiplication of 6, apply the here on, yes, apply on the other side the same thing to you. You have to apply the same formula. What you are doing? You are doing the same strategy on both the sides. This is important rule in the fraction. When you are doing, when you are using or you are doing any multiplication, any number, so you have to apply on the numerator and the denominator in both. Okay. So what you are doing here? In both sides you are multiplying by 4. You are here multiplying by 4. 6 fours are 24. 5 fours are 20. Step number 3. 6 threes are 18. Step number 3 has been done. Okay, so which one is greater? 18 upon 24, well, or 20 upon 24? Definitely 20 upon 24 means 5 upon 6. Crocodile mouth moves towards 5 upon 6. Yay! I want to eat 5 upon 6. It's greater one. Okay, so the last part, D is left. Okay, now step number 1. What comes in your mind? I have to shift the number 6 and 9 here. I have to share write 6. I have to write 9. But I'm not doing this. No, no. I'm using another number. It's not necessary. I have to always or shuffle these numbers. Look at what I'm doing. The magic. Okay, so can I multiply it here by 2? While not, 9 twos are, look my magic. 9 twos are 18. Okay, and can I write here 3? 6 threes are 18. Yes, we can use any other number also, but remember one thing, make the denominator same. Yes, step number 1 done. We have done this job by making the denominator same. Now, step number 2. Which number you are taking in the denominator part by multiplying 2. So, what you have to do? Yes, where we are, what we have to do? Yes, what we have to do? Very good. We have to use the same number. Step 2 done. Okay, so step number 3, 7 twos are 14, 5 threes are 15. Yes, we get this equivalent fractions. Actually, when we are solving this, we are getting this again. That's why they having the equality, equal in both sides. Okay, so can I compare these? 14 upon 18 while 15 upon 18. Which one is greater? Yes, 15 upon 18 is greater. So which one? It means 5 upon 6 is the greatest one. Shall I move there? Oh, I'm not a crocodile. Crocodile mouth moves towards this. I am using that symbol. Okay, so any question is left over? No way, we have done the job? Yes. So today's task, question 3, done. Hope so you have enjoyed the video. Any question, if any question you want to ask my math stars, you can write in the comment section. Thank you. Many tips and tricks for you. Subscribe Math Magician channel. Happy